off the shore.
I can get this kite up in the air, and it'll get me past the breakwater.
Here's how a kite fishing rig works. The kite line is hooked up to a rod and reel that takes the bait past the breakers, where it hangs from a snap swivel. The fishing line, hooked up to a separate rod and reel, is connected directly to the bait hook. Once you get a bite, the line is pulled out of the snap swivel, and you can reel the fish in.
That is the greatest sound in the world, right? It's either a big old fish or a big kite. So I've got my tackle box. Give me weights and hooks. I cannot afford to lose this. Why do you spit on your line? That's so gross. You spit on your line because this is nylon, and when you bind nylon together, it's friction, and friction is heat, and that will weaken my line. So when it's wet, it's less friction. Squid bits. Oh, God, Dick. Okay, so right here I have a clip next to my swivel, and that's a quick release clip. So when there's a fish on,